Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be working with the M3 E93, and a project for today going to be differential fluid replacement. So we have 2 quarts of oil, GL5 LS SAE 75W140, then 2 plugs. One is the filler cap, one is the drain cap. So they both are replacement, and as you probably could see, they're kind of the green gasket in there. This is the rubber piece, which is kind of non-replaceable. It only comes with the cap itself. We have a hand pump or transfer pump, and the H14 or the hex 14 socket for the plugs. After all, we need to jack it up the car and make sure the car is in the level. So this is the rear differential. We're looking from the driver's side. This is the filler cap. This is the drain plug. They both H16, so we need to pop them open and drain the fluid. There are approximately going to be 1.5 liters of the oil in there, and pretty much that's it. So with that being said, let's pop them open and start draining the fluid. So first, we wanted to remove the filler cap. Make sure the wrench is all the way in and slightly just untighten it. So undo the top bolt all the way first. And the Diff fluid is really disgusting, so it's kind of stinky, and it's not the best thing to have it on your skin. It can get you cancer and all kind of stuff like that. Just be pretty careful about it. Oh my goodness, it stinks. Let it drain for 15 to 20 minutes because it's pretty thick oil. So after we're done draining the uranium, you want to pop the drain plug back. The torque specs also going to be in description below, but that's going to be 56 Newton meters of torque or 41 foot-pound of torque for both of them, for the filling and draining. Okay, first one is done. Okay, now comes the tricky part. So it's really interesting, guys, because the bottle already have type nozzle, whatever, and we basically can start filling up. We got that. Hope not gonna felt, and I'm not gonna spell anything. That's gonna be a huge bummer. Need to get that pump up here. Hold on a second. Just wanna get it a little farther. Really satisfying pump. And you want to keep pumping till the filler cap not gonna start dripping the oil. Okay, I think we are good here. And hold on a second. Don't fall. Just need to pop that plug in there. Oh, that's the mess. And meanwhile, gotta remove the bottle with whatever stuff we didn't use. That's a really nice pump, but I'm probably gonna throw it away. And basically that nozzle is pretty useless thing, so just start with the pump right away. Anyway guys, if you like the video, please put the thumbs up button, subscribe my channel, and leave me a comment below. Also, I see you in the next one.